Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Force Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Now guys, to really dissolve this chicken bouillon, you should use warm water. So what I would suggest is that you can dissolve this a few hours before you're actually ready to season your chicken, because obviously you don't want to use hot water to put on your chicken. But if you dissolve this a few hours before, then it will cool down and you'll be able to use it to season your chicken. Now where the difference comes in here is that instead of soaking or marinating my chicken in buttermilk, I am using chicken broth in order to marinate my chicken, and so that is the difference, and that is how we can make this dairy free, because we're not using any buttermilk. Because I did not use any warm water or hot water, of course it's a little harder for me to dissolve it, so that's why I was suggesting that you do it a few hours before using warm or hot water, so that when you're ready to season, it's nice and dissolved. So guys, marinating your chicken in this chicken broth really adds extra flavor to your chicken. This is something that you guys have to try. I think you'll enjoy it. You know, some of us are sensitive to cow's milk, or we might be lactose intolerant, and so this method is a fine way to still add flavor to your chicken but have a liquid base in order for it to marinate in. Okay, so at this point you just take your chicken out of your marinating liquid, you put it in your flour and cornstarch mixture, and then you put it to fry. Usually persons might use egg at this process before putting it into the flour, but again there are those who are sensitive to egg or egg whites, and so in this method you're not going to be using any egg.